Hello and welcome to oneHOWTO. Today we're going to show you an easy reggaeton choreography step by step. Step 1. We're going to open our legs and we're going to move the right leg first. We open on the right and do 1, 2, then the left, 3, 4. It's very easy. Now we're going to do it with our arms. Our right arm is going to accompany the right leg and we're going to do a little hook movement. We do 1, then close, 2, then close. After this, our legs are going to continue doing the same thing. We're going to do right, close, left, close. In this step, our arms are going to move differently. What we're going to do is point, then open our arms, then point and open our arms, pointing in the direction we move. Let's do the 2 steps together. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, in 5, in 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Let's move on to the 3rd step. We stop here and what we're going to do is open the legs and do 2 pelvic movements. We're going to do 1, 2, then go to the other side and do 3, 4. We'll accompany all of that with a little jump. Now arms. The first arm. We're going to do this up here to accompany the arms with the pelvic movement. We'll do 1, 2, and then change sides. Then we cross our arms to do 3 and open 4. We will now do it together. 5, 6, 7 and in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4. After this step, we're going to do the following. When we stop here, we need to move our right leg so it is going backwards and then we do 2 steps, 1, 2, and then the other leg, 3, 4. We're going to do all of this going down. We're going to do a little circular hip movement to go backwards. We're going to place our arms above the waist and we do 5, 6, 7 and we go back, back and change sides. After that, we're going to add a walk that we're going to do with a lot of attitude to finish the dance. We're going to do all the steps together. First hook, 5, 6, 7 and we do 1, on 2, 3, on 4, on 5, on 6, 7, pelvis. 1, 2, 3, back and 1, 2, 3, walk, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do it now in time. Perfect, well done. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned a lot. If you have more questions or want to learn more, don't forget to watch the other videos. Subscribe for more reggaeton and other dance tutorials to come, and we'll see you next time.